Right, in a number of two digits, the digit in units place is 1/4 of the digit in tens place. The number formed by reversing the digits is 54 less than the number. Express the given conditions in the form of linear equations. So one way to do that, we can just say we let x be equal to the digit in tens place. You have y being the digit in units place, like so. And so right now, then we need to express this. So one way to do this is to imagine an example here to say that if you have that is an example, the digit is the two-digit number or a number of two digits is say the number 41, such that the digit in the units place is 1/4 of the digit in tens place. And this is true here because you can see that the digit in the units place is certainly 1/4, because if you take 1/4 of the digit in the tens place, you get the digit in the units place. And therefore, we can be able to see, therefore, that if x is the one in the tens place and y is what is in the units place, we can most certainly be rest assured that y is actually equal to x out of 4, like so. Moreover, the number formed by reversing the digits is 54 less than the number. So obviously we're dealing with the number here, so which means therefore if x is in the tens place, it means you have 10x. And the digit in the units place, you have y minus, and then you have 10y plus x. When you reverse the digits, what we're getting is 54, because if we reverse the digits, the number formed by reversing the digits is 54 less than the number. And if we analyze that very, very carefully, what we're getting is that we have 10x minus x, and so that is actually exactly 9x, and then we have 9y minus 10y, which is minus 9y, equals 54. And so what this means then is if you divide it through by 9, it means you have x minus y equals 6. Okay, so this is then what we're getting. So what this therefore means is that if we have this, then these basically become the two equations. So you have y equals x over 4, and x minus y is equal to 6, like so. Now we therefore need to find the number. How do we therefore find this number? Right, so to find the number, we need to solve these two equations simultaneously. How do we therefore solve these two equations simultaneously? So you can have that y equals x over 4, call it equation 1, and you have the other one here, you can write as exactly x equals you can write as x equals, you can write it like that, as it is, you know. You can write it as x minus y equals 6, just thinking of that. So you can write it as x minus y equals 6, and call this equation 2. And then you proceed to say you need to put 1 into into 2. And if you do so, substituting equation 1 into equation 2, what will then be, actually what we'll then have is that we have x minus what is y? It is x over 4 equals 6. Right, you multiply it through by 4, getting 4x minus x equals 24. If you multiply it through by 4, okay, which means therefore that 3x is equal to 24. And if 3x equals 24, what this means is if you divide through by 3, you have x equals 8. Right, and if x equals 8, what will y become? So you use this equation, equation 1. So you know that y is actually equal to x out of 4, which means therefore x is what? Is 8. So you have 8 out of 4, which equals exactly 2. And so what this means is we have those results, okay? So we have therefore that x is equal to 8 is actually the one of the digits. And so obviously we analyze what digit that is in terms of whether it is the digit in the in any of the places like your units or tens digit, and the other one is obviously exactly like here. So we continue then accordingly. Okay, like so. So now if this is the case, we're supposed to find the number. So what is the number? So the number is what? Right, we remember that x is in the tens place. So in other words, we start with the x. So x is 8 and y is 2. And so we can most certainly see, therefore, that the number itself is the number 82. Find the reverse number 2. What is the reverse number? So we just reverse the digits. So the reverse number is the number 28. Right, so we have to find the reverse number, and we can see that the reverse number is actually 28. So since the reverse number is 28, we have actually been able to solve this problem completely. And we're delighted that we have solved this problem. And so thanks everybody. A very goodbye to you. Okay. But I think that it will be very important for me to draw some lines of demarcation, just in case somebody wonders what is what here. So I can further divide this solution so that, because somebody can look at this and be like, okay, but what is what here? What is what here? So what we have in here is that this is further division like this, further division like this. So in other words, you have then the top, like sorry, A has the solution just above the blue line, and B is within the two blue lines, and the solution to C is actually just below the blue line there, and we are done. So yeah, we're excited. And so thanks everybody, and a very goodbye to you.